Good morning, and how are we? Today we start a new topic. How'd you go in the last one? Maybe sort of reflect on how much effort you made, following advice, and looking at those videos. Today we have a video made by Mr. Coulter, so that's for Lesson 1 on financial mathematics. And yes, just remember a guy by the name of Warren Buffett as a young man. I suppose you guys are young men. Uh, let's start listening to his dad about money. He's now worth $1 trillion. So let's have a look. We have attendance. So it's the last lesson of the week 5. Um, you should have already done and checked your progress in the linear equation quiz. To students who haven't done it, if you want to email me, I can maybe resend that. And we're going to exercise 1. So as you says, we've got some more information there. Just watch the video. It's about estimating. It's all very good to be able to do that. Um, Make sure you do it in your exercise book. Um, and check your answers, please. And checking answers means going through and actually putting a tick or a cross. And if you put a cross, see if you got it wrong. And that is all. Oh yes, just one more thing. Don't forget it's Mother's Day this weekend, so give your mum a big hug. No one else can get around or near her other than the closest immediate family members. So have a good weekend.